I hope you're fine after the long lockdown. We've been arranging some event, some workshop after the MCO, and we'll be conducting a workshop on the Lotus, how to shoot Lotus, shoot them well, and how to do the editing. Now, Lotus is much complicated than what you think. I've been shooting Lotus for about 20 years, and I still find it tough, but over the years of doing it, I've eventually come up with some sort of technique to deal with Lotus, how to choose the best Lotus to shoot, how to make good composition, how to deal with the ambient, the lighting, the timing, and how to do a good editing. So this is how it goes. Let's take a look on our venue that we'll be conducting the workshop.
You'll find that the Lotus Pond is very cluttered, so does the lighting. So how do we go about? That's what you learn from me, from knowing how to look for the connection between the Lotus and the background, between the Lotus and the lighting, and how to instill emotion and story into your shot. And also for the PS lesson 2, I have some simple and effective guides for you, that little magic touch that could really make your picture really shine.
If you love to shoot Lotus or just want to explore something new, I think this lesson, this workshop will really fit you. I'll see you.